Hey everyone, this is Arafat here. Welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure conversion tracking in the GoHighLevel with the help of Google Tag Manager as well as the custom JavaScript code. So this is our website, and it has a lead form. So in the GoHighLevel, there is no built-in data layer. So when I will configure everything, suppose lead trackings and product everything, so we have to configure the data layer with the help of Google Tag Manager. So this is our website. So we have already connected our Google Tag Manager. So this is our Google Tag Manager. We connected our Google Tag Manager. Hello. So this is our Google Tag Manager code. So this is the code. If I go to the websites and just inspect it and whether it's connected or not, we will check here. Okay, so this we will go to the network and clean it and just refresh it, and we'll just write the GTM and we'll click the GTM here in the header. We will just so now we'll go this is our GTM is connected, and if I go to this payload, so this is our Google Tag Manager. Okay, and if I go to the response initial timing, so this is the GTM ID. Okay, so this is the GTM ID, this is the same ID. So our GTM is connected here. So I will close it, and so this is the client needs the conversion. I mean when customer visit the websites and click this button, and they will get a lead form. So actually which person, how many person submit the lead forms, and they also want to send the user data like full name, phone, email, everything to the marketing platforms. Actually they need for Google Ads. So Google Ads has a additional things and the enhance conversion. So we have to send the user data with the help of enhance. If we send the enhance, then our ad performance will increase. Ad performance, everything is okay. So we have to send it the full name, phone number and email. But how can we send the data to the Google Ads? Because there is no built-in data layer. This is not the built-in data layer with the user info. So we have to set up with the help of Google Tag Manager and with the help of also the custom JavaScript code. So we need three things here: the full name, phone number, email. So we have already collected and the three things with the help of Google Tag Manager, and already I have stored it in the variables. If I go to the Google Tag Manager and I click the variable, then I have already stored the variable, the full name, phone number and the email address. So this is the DOM email, full name and the phone number. We have to configure it. Okay, then when customers write and input their full name, phone number, email, and this is the service in this rush order, and this is the things and quantity. And when the customer submit this button, then our full name, phone number, email is stored in the local storage, and the submit the local storage, and the customer will go to the thank you page. Then automatically the full name, phone number, email automatically pull from the local storage, and it's automatically push a data layer event with the with the generate lead event, and then the three things also include in the user data in the data layer. Okay, this is the process actually, and then we can send the event with the marketing platform to the marketing platform. So if I go to our Google Tag Manager, then I will show you how did I it, and then I will guide to you. Okay, so if I go to the Tag Manager, the tags, then I have created a tag. So the first tag is stored load data. So this is the JavaScript code, and I have write it. So this is the JavaScript code. This is the under HTML tag, and I have stored lead data with under the object. So this is the first name, phone number and email. This is the value. Okay, and I have set the local storage, the set item, and this is the lead data. And when I set I mean the push any data in the local storage, if it is a object, then we have to send this JSON, not a stringify. So I have set the JSON stringify, and when it is stored in the local storage, then we will get a confirmation in our console. That's why I have set the console log. And this is the submit button. When customer click the submit button, then this is it will be stored. And the different push generate lead. So when our data in the push in the local storage, then in the second tag collect the data from the local storage. So this is the set item. And when we will collect the first time we send the object with the in stringify, but when we will collect the data, I mean the push the data, pull the data, then we have to with the help JSON.parse. So this is the process, and then we will push a event. When the push, the event name is generate lead, and this is the user data, user email, user phone, and when this is the push, I mean when we created the data layer, then for the confirmation we console log, we will get the confirmation in the console log. And when a lead will in the fire in the thank you page. So this is the thank you page. Okay, so now we will check it in the live. Actually this is working or not. Okay, so let's first click the preview, and we will go check it in the live. We will go this is the GTM is connected here, and now we will click our primary button. So the lead form is open. So now at first we will remove the previous cookie. Okay, so this is our previous cookie. Okay, so just minimize it. Okay, so suppose this is Adflix, and the phone, this is the random phone number. Okay, this is the Adflix. gmail.com, and now I will select the embroidery or printing everything. Okay, and this is the font, and this is the select the quantity, how much quantity. And if I go to our 16 event, okay, 16 event, and now when I click this submit button, then our 3 data is stored in the local storage with the object. So I will click the submit button. So this is the random invalid phone number. Okay, so if I click the submit button, sorry, submit button. Okay, so this is our thank you page, and if I click this, so our lead data is stored. So this is the Adflix first name, the phone number is things, and the email. So it's under object Adflix first number, email, everything. And we have already set up a trigger. So when customer go to the thank you page, then our generate lead event will be fired. So if I go to the 26, the generate lead, and we have also set a console log to make sure actually this working or not. So now we will go to our console. So this is the GA4 event pushed from the thank you page, and this is our object. So it's working fine, properly it's working. So we have at first we will push the data in the local storage, then we will collect the data from the local storage again and push a event. The event name is generate lead. If I go to the event name is generate lead, if I click there, so this is the event name is generate lead, the lead name is Adflix, user email and user phone number. Okay, so this is the thing, and I have already configured it for the Google Ads conversion tracking. So this is the automatic fire, and we have also sent the data with the help of the user provided data. This is a different tag. If I click the tag, then and I click the value, then this is the user provided data. We send it with the object email. This is the phone number. Okay, so actually this is the thing, this is working properly, and we can send it in the others marketing platform. It would be a Meta, Snap, TikTok, everything. We will just right now we will just set up a new trigger, the custom event trigger, the generate lead, and we call with the marketing platform. So this is working properly, and I have tried to explain everything how did I configure it. So this is everything works properly, and it's depend to the in the different marketing website UI. If I get any user suppose product price and others information, we can also, this is working properly, and hopefully it's if you enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to learn new things, if you want to get new video, so you can subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in the next video. Okay, thank you so much.